Wow, that thing sounds like an airplane engine going off. This is one of the fastest pumps I've ever seen. We're already at 14.5, 14.6. Let's see if it does the automatic shut off. Check that out. That was quick, everybody. There it is, 15, right on the money. And check this out. That's solid. Y'all see that? That's by far one of the fastest SUP pumps I've ever seen. That thing was quick. Yo, I'm gonna go over this OutdoorMaster's electric air pump for pretty much whether it's paddle boards or maybe inflatable tents or something like that, maybe air mattresses. This one is the Shark 3 and it has a built-in battery. Let me just show you everything it's good for. SUPs, kites, mats, floats, boats, and tents. And inside of here, you get a little barrel plug, so if you can use your car cigarette lighter, if your battery's not charged on there, you get a USB-C for charging and a little set of instructions. Now, right here's the pump itself. This thing blew up a paddleboard in well under 3 minutes. You get all of these attachments right here. You get a inflate and deflate, and then right here, where that's the charging in, and that's where you would plug the barrel plug if you want to use it for like that. To turn this thing on, you just pretty much hold this down right here. Now it's not flashing, it's just a shutter speed in the camera. You can hit that one, kite, mat, and then you can adjust it. So you can put it on whatever, like I think it goes all the way up to 20. Look at that nice solid handle right there. I was impressed with how solid that handle is. That's like seatbelt webbing on that. Has little rubber feet so it doesn't vibrate away. And let me tell you, this thing sounds like a jet engine when it's going off. Watch this. Let's see. When it goes to the high setting, y'all hear that? That is one of the loudest pumps. But the thing is, look, 11 PSI, look how fast it goes up. I've never seen a pump go as fast as this. The motor in this is very impressive. They have a very impressive motor in this thing. So I definitely will be using this pump going forward on all of my paddle boards. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the OutdoorMaster's Shark 3 paddleboard pump, tent pump. See you on the next video.